Think of offshore accounts not as a secret club for the financial elite, but as a strategic financial tool accessible to anyone seeking to optimize their wealth. Imagine a world where your money has the potential to work smarter and harder for you. Have you ever wondered why individuals and businesses choose to open offshore accounts? You work hard, earn money, and diligently pay taxes. Now, imagine a system where you can legally minimize those taxes, protect your assets, and enjoy improved financial privacy. That's the charm of offshore banking. Tax optimization is like a financial superpower. By strategically placing your assets in jurisdictions with favorable tax laws, you can legally reduce your tax burden. It's about making your money work smarter for you. Imagine saving more of what you earn to reinvest or enjoy life's pleasures. Opening an offshore account wasn't about secrecy. It was about safeguarding the fruits of your hard work. I wanted to protect my business assets, ensure financial stability, and plan for the future. Offshore banking gave me the tools to do just that. Now let's talk about financial privacy. In an era where data is a valuable thing, offshore accounts provide a shield for your financial affairs. Imagine having control over who has access to your financial information, ensuring a level of privacy that traditional banking might not offer. It's not about hiding anything. It's about having control. We value our privacy and wanted a financial sanctuary where our family's financial matters remain confidential. Contrary to common misconceptions, offshore banking is entirely legal. It's about utilizing international financial systems to your advantage. Governments encourage international trade and investments, and offshore accounts play a role in cultivating a global economy. As we continue our expedition, we'll delve deeper into the legal landscape, exploring the foundations that make offshore banking a legitimate and powerful financial tool. Imagine a world where your money not only grows, but does so with greater freedom and protection. You've worked hard to build your wealth, and now you want it to flourish. Offshore banking offers plenty of advantages, and it all begins with tax optimization. Visualize keeping more of your hard-earned money by strategically placing it in jurisdictions with favorable tax laws. Tax optimization isn't about evading taxes. It's about making smart financial decisions. By legally minimizing your tax obligations, you have more capital to reinvest, support your lifestyle, or even contribute to charitable causes. It's a win-win scenario that goes beyond personal gain. It's about optimizing your financial strategy. By leveraging the tax benefits of offshore accounts, individuals and businesses can assign resources more efficiently, ultimately driving economic growth. Now, let's talk about asset protection, the bastion that offshore banking provides for your wealth. Imagine a scenario where your assets are shielded from economic uncertainties, legal threats, or unexpected circumstances. Offshore accounts act as a robust financial shield, ensuring the preservation of your hard-earned wealth. Life is unpredictable, and having my assets offshore gave me peace of mind. When my business faced challenges, my offshore account provided a safety net, preserving what I had worked so hard to build. Financial privacy is another key advantage. Imagine having control over who has access to your financial information. Offshore banking allows individuals and families to manage their wealth discreetly, away from curious eyes. Our financial matters are personal, and offshore banking gives us the privacy we value. It's about controlling our financial record and securing our family's future. Offshore banking is often misunderstood, with misconceptions suggesting it operates in the shadows. The truth is, it's a legitimate and legal financial strategy embraced by individuals and businesses worldwide. Let's demystifying the perception surrounding offshore accounts. Understanding the legal framework is essential. Offshore banking operates within a network of international regulations and agreements designed to ensure transparency and prevent illegal activities. Consider it as a global collaboration for the greater good of financial stability. Offshore banking operates within a web of regulations crafted by international cooperation. It's not a loophole, but a system designed to encourage global economic growth while maintaining checks and balances. Offshore banks adhere to strict anti-money laundering and know-your-customer processes. These protocols not only protect the financial institution, but also contribute to global efforts in preventing criminal financial activities. Conducting thorough due diligence is not just a legal requirement, it's a moral obligation. It ensures that our clients are legitimate, their funds are clean, and we contribute to a global financial system that is safe and secure. Regulations evolve, and staying up to date of these changes is crucial. Offshore banking isn't a fixed commodity. It adapts to comply with the shifting legal landscape. This adaptability ensures that offshore accounts remain a reliable and legal financial tool. The financial world is dynamic, and offshore banking evolves in alongside each other with regulatory changes. Staying informed is not just a choice, it's a necessity to navigate this complex and ever-changing landscape successfully. Offshore banking has long been covered in myths, often representing it as a shadowy realm reserved for the ultra-wealthy. Let's set the record straight by disproving some of the most prevalent myths. Myth 1. Offshore banking is only for the wealthy. Contrary to popular belief, offshore banking is not exclusive to the super rich. Individuals with varying income levels and businesses of all sizes can benefit. It's about financial strategy, not just wealth accumulation. Myth 2. Offshore accounts are for tax evasion. One of the most persistent myths is that offshore accounts are used for illegal tax evasion. In reality, offshore banking is a legal and regulated practice. It's about tax optimization, ensuring you pay what you owe and not a penny more. Myth 3. Offshore banking is complicated and risky. Some believe offshore banking is a complex and dangerous effort. The reality is that, like any financial decision, it requires careful consideration and keeping to regulations. It's not inherently risky, rather it demands informed decision-making. Offshore banking is a tool, and like any tool, it's about how you use it. With proper guidance and understanding, it becomes a straightforward and secure way to manage your finances. While offers many benefits, it's essential to acknowledge the risks and challenges that can arise. Just as any investment involves uncertainties, offshore accounts come with their set of potential pitfalls. Risk 1. Financial instability. The global economy is like the ebb and flow of the tide. Offshore accounts are not immune to economic downturns. Picture a scenario where changes in currency values or economic instability in a chosen jurisdiction could impact the value of your assets. During the economic downturn, I felt the impact on my offshore investments. It made me realize the importance of diversification and staying informed about global economic trends. Risk 2. Regulatory changes. Governments can alter regulations affecting offshore banking. Picture navigating through uncharted waters as regulations shift. What was compliant yesterday may face changes tomorrow. Regulatory changes are part of the financial landscape. Staying informed ensures that individuals and businesses can adapt to new requirements, maintaining compliance and mitigating risks. While due diligence is a protective measure, it requires careful attention. Imagine a situation where inadequate due diligence exposes your assets to unexpected risks. Due diligence is not just a checkbox. It's a shield against potential risks. It's about knowing where you invest, understanding the legal and financial landscape, and making informed decisions. The world of finance is dynamic, and offshore banking is no exception. In this chapter, we'll peer into the crystal ball and discuss the future of offshore banking, exploring the innovations that lie ahead. Picture a world where blockchain technology transforms the landscape of offshore banking. Blockchain offers increased security, transparency, and efficiency. Imagine transactions that are not only swift but also tamper-proof, revolutionizing the way we manage financial assets offshore. Blockchain is a game changer in the financial world. It has the potential to enhance security, reduce fraud, and streamline transactions in offshore banking, fostering a new era of trust and efficiency. Envision a future where AI and machine learning algorithms optimize investment strategies. Picture personalized financial advice tailored to individual needs, creating a more responsive and adaptive offshore banking experience. AI enables us to analyze extensive amounts of data in real time, making offshore banking more personalized and responsive. It's about leveraging technology to make informed financial decisions tailored to individual goals. Imagine a virtual world where you can manage your offshore accounts seamlessly, attending virtual meetings with financial advisors from the comfort of your home. Virtual reality has the potential to redefine the way we interact with offshore banking services. Virtual reality opens up new avenues for client engagement. It provides a more immersive and interactive experience, allowing individuals to navigate their financial portfolios in a way that feels intuitive and engaging. You might be wondering, how can I, a regular person, make use of offshore banking today? Well, let's dive in and discover the practical steps you can take right now. Step 1. Research and choose a reputable jurisdiction. Research jurisdictions that align with your financial goals. Consider factors like stability, banking regulations, and the ease of doing transactions. I wanted to make my money work smarter, so I researched different jurisdictions. With the help of a financial advisor, I found one that suited my needs. Step 2. Navigate the application process. Opening an offshore account is often simpler than one might think. Imagine a streamlined process where you provide the necessary documentation. Similar to opening a local bank account, the application process was straightforward for me. I provided the required documents, and within a few weeks, I had my offshore account ready. Step 3. Manage your finances online. Imagine the convenience of managing your offshore account from the comfort of your home. Online banking allows you to monitor transactions, transfer funds, and stay in control of your finances effortlessly. Having access to my offshore account online is incredibly convenient. I can check my balance, transfer funds, and stay on top of my financial game anytime, anywhere. Step 4. Stay compliant and informed. Just as with any financial industry, compliance is key. Imagine the peace of mind that comes comes with staying informed about tax regulations and reporting requirements in both your home country and the offshore jurisdiction. Staying compliant is not just a legal obligation. It ensures a smooth and hassle-free offshore banking experience. Regularly review and update your understanding of tax regulations to avoid any surprises.